So here is our second combinations word problem. Any two lines in a plane form at most one intersection. If there are 10 distinct lines, then what is the maximum number of intersections possible? Now, before I go on to reveal the solution to this problem, I want you to pause the video first and then use the combinations formula to help you solve. Now, this problem does require a bit more of thinking before actually setting up the problem and solving the combination. So this is a bit more multi-step than our previous word problems. We are given that any two lines form one intersection, and we are given 10 distinct lines, so 10 different lines. We can actually transform this problem into something much simpler and much easier to set up a problem from. In how many ways can we take two lines from 10 distinct lines to form intersections? If you word it like that, it's much easier to write down the combinations for this word problem. Remember, we write combinations in the form of C, N, R, where N is a total and R is the number of objects we're taking out from the total. So in this case, the total is 10, and we're taking out two lines from the total. So here's how we can solve this. And basically, once you get to this step and you've already mastered the formula, there really shouldn't be any more problems. A lot of the times, it's not just about memorizing a formula and being able to calculate really big numbers. A lot of the times in competitive math competitions, it's really like learning how to take a word problem that seems super complicated and turning that into the form of a simple formula that you already know how to solve. So turning what you don't know or you're confused about into something that you do know. It's all about converting and logical reasoning in math competitions like this. So once you get to this step, basically nothing much else to worry about. And now all you have to do is solve. So the numerator is 10 factorial, and on the bottom we have 8 factorial. 2 factorial times 8 factorial, 8 being the difference of 10 and 2. This can be simplified into 10 times 9 over 2 times 1, which after we simplify, we have 45. So there are 45 intersections possible maximum.